So you want to go camping in an electric car. Make sure before you buy it that it has camping mode, as you can see on the screen there. Also might be called utility mode in some brands of electric cars like Hyundai and Kia. In Tesla and in this Deepal, it's called camping mode. What that does is turn the air conditioning on low, air intake on so you get fresh air, and keeps the car running at low power usage. Camping mode, enable. Okay, so what that did was turn the fan on low and turn air intake on instead of recirc. You don't want to be breathing the same air in all night while you're sleeping, because it's best to have some fresh air coming in, especially since there's not much air in a car. If you find the idea of car camping a bit claustrophobic because cars are kind of small, get a car with a sunroof and with a built-in sunroof shade, because that'll keep you cool when it's really hot, and it means that on cooler days and on nighttime when you're car camping, you can sleep and look at the stars. Or if you're camping during the day, you can look at the trees and other things in the scenery around you. Much nicer. I don't think you'll feel claustrophobic if you car camp in a car that has a nice sunroof.
Please like, subscribe, and share. It'll really help me make more videos like this for you. Thanks, and bye.